Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just doing a quick video. I told you I'd give you like a 2-week hair update. So this is it with my new locks. I am home now in Bermuda for the summer. Officially done school, so happy. But yeah, so new locks, I like them. They snag together a bit and they definitely look rough compared to what they were looking like before I left. And my own hair is still unraveling, so what I do is like every day I'll wake up and if I see a piece coming out, then I'll just twist it back in. And every other day I'll go through them, like finger go through them, and then if I feel any snags like her where they're kind of sort of connecting a bit, then I'll snip it with some scissors and it works out fine. This snagging together is not a big deal, to be honest, but I'm just trying to work out different hairstyles, how to wear it. I've just been wearing it out because I haven't gone anywhere as of yet. And yeah, so this is my quick and easy 2-week update of my new locks. It's probably not even been 2 weeks. It's probably been like a week and a little bit. I don't know, but it don't make a difference because I don't know, it's almost 2 weeks and the hair is just holding up alright. So I'm pretty sure at a certain point, instead of just taking them all out, I have 2 extra packs left because I only used 3. I have more than 2 packs left, but I didn't feel like carrying all that in my suitcase, so I only brought a pack of the gold, well, the pack of the gold, the only pack of gold that I had, and a pack of the regular black 1B ones with me. So I think every now and then when I see them kind of going cray and unraveling, then I'll just replace them one at a time, and I might do it, split it between 2 days, but go through my hair, take them out, retwist my hair, because I noticed that the roots is starting to slack, if that makes sense. Obviously new growth and stuff, so that'll be why. But for the smaller, it's alright for the big sections, but for the smaller sections around my perimeter where I don't have a massive braid against the faux lock, I don't know if you can see this one, but see how it's like really thin at the base and the faux lock is like gigantic. I think I'm gonna go back through and redo these type of ones. It's another one kind of like, you see it right here, so that one. And then obviously like in my sideburn area, because my edges are like non-existent sometimes, I went back through to redo this one, but this one's actually fine. It's hanging in there nice and tight. And then it's like just a little bit of ones around her, or like one in the back where when I did them, I just did the her section a bit too small, and it's fine, like it's still hanging in there, like that ain't going nowhere. But I wanted to look a bit tidy when it gets to roots, because now it's starting to look a bit messy. And obviously, you know, I do my edges and stuff with just some normal edge control, but I haven't done it today because I do like the natural look, and when you don't do your edges, it gives it that rustic, natural, I've been growing these things out for a couple of years look. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, the gold ones having the black visible hasn't necessarily been a problem so far. The ones in the back, you won't notice it because they're in the back and the rest of the hair is covering it, so it's not that big of a deal. But I'm happy with these. Yeah, happy. They do come like really long though, like all the way down there, like swinging for these. But yeah, so that's it. Definitely 2 triple thumbs up for these faux locks, and I definitely think that you guys should purchase them. I got mine from Ebony Line. Sam's Beauty has them. I can't remember what other, Sister Weeks probably has them. Like, it's just whoever sells faux locks or crochet hair will have Bobbi Boy's new locks, which is what these are. And I have 1B and the gold, and I have them in, I've used 3 packs and like 2 from a 4th pack, so not a big deal. And it's done like my whole head. I'm quite happy with this, and I did the individual crochet method. I'll link the way I did it in the description box below. I'm so sorry for the length of that video, but I was trying to cut it down and I was just like, if I cut it down anymore, you miss the detail of it. So I don't know, but to be fair, I talk a lot, so I could have just cut off the talking, but the information is crucial. Anyway, thanks a lot guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you want to see, what you want me to do while I'm home, because I'm home for the whole summer. Like, you know, I have a lot of projects in mind. However, it'd be better to know what you want to see instead of me just putting out content. So yeah, give it a thumbs up, like this video, share it if you want, like I'm not bothered. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and hair grease.